Every successful project, whether it's constructing a skyscraper, developing a new app, or organizing a major event, has one thing in common: effective project management. But what exactly does that mean? Understanding project management, at its core, project management is the structured approach to turning ideas into reality. It involves planning, organizing, and managing resources to complete tasks on time, within budget, and with the desired results. Think of it as the GPS of any project, guiding teams, setting clear directions, and ensuring everything stays on track. Why is project management important? Without proper project management, teams can become disorganized, tasks get delayed, and costs spiral out of control. But with a structured approach, everyone knows their role, resources are used efficiently, and objectives are met smoothly. In today's fast-paced world, businesses and organizations rely on project management to increase productivity, reduce risks, and deliver successful results. Whether it's launching a product, executing a marketing campaign, or building critical infrastructure, the project lifecycle, how projects progress, every project, big or small, follows a structured process. This is called the project lifecycle, and it includes 4 key stages. Initiation. This is where everything starts. The project's goals, scope, and stakeholders are identified, and key questions are answered. What needs to be achieved? What resources are required? Who will be involved? Planning. Here, the detailed roadmap is created. Tasks are outlined, responsibilities are assigned, and risks are identified. This stage ensures smooth execution and helps avoid unexpected roadblocks. Execution. Now, the plan comes to life. Teams collaborate, tasks are completed, and managers track progress. Challenges may arise, but with the right strategy, they can be managed effectively. Closure. Once all objectives are met, the project is reviewed. This step helps businesses and teams learn from successes and challenges, improving future projects. What makes a great project manager? Behind every successful project is a skilled project manager who ensures everything runs smoothly. Great project managers possess these essential skills: leadership, inspiring teams and keeping them motivated; communication, ensuring clarity between stakeholders, teams, and clients; risk management, identifying potential issues before they become major problems; time management, keeping projects on schedule and avoiding delays; problem solving, quickly adapting to challenges and finding solutions. A good project manager balances efficiency with flexibility, making real-time decisions to keep the project on track. A project management in action. A real-world example. Let's take an example. Imagine a company launching a new smartphone. Without project management, teams might miss deadlines, exceed the budget, and face last-minute production issues. But with a structured project management approach, goals are set clearly. Resources are allocated efficiently. Risks are identified early. Teams work in sync to meet launch deadlines. The result: a successful product launch that meets customer expectations and business goals. Why learn project management? Project management isn't just for big companies or complex projects. It's a skill that applies to nearly every industry, whether you're in IT, healthcare, construction, finance, or even event planning. Learning project management allows you to handle projects with confidence, improve productivity and efficiency, take on leadership roles with ease. And in today's job market, project management skills are highly valued by employers, making it a great career choice for those looking to advance. Project management is the key to turning ideas into successful outcomes. Whether you're managing a small task or a major initiative, the right skills can make all the difference. Master the art of project management and lead with confidence.